scrolling on TikTok maybe, which is okay. I want you to cast your mind back to your childhood. Yes, through just 11, what was current. We can try and infuse that in our classroom. Even
How you check for punctuations, how you check for spelling mistakes. Because there's no such thing as text or nothing, right? It's just, but whatever you want to do with it, it's up to the students. When I'm talking about poetry, I'm also talking about poem. But poem is just an individual thing.
Favorite session with my grandfather is the storytelling session.
Everybody has, her own preference to talk with someone, but I think people who like exactly the same authors is Agatha Christie.
And try to cut the story, and then I ask them to write, but they don't know how to do it in English, something like that. So the attention span of the students are really low. So beside of giving their appreciation,
You are a fun teacher, right? Next one.
I thought he was a funny student.
suddenly she cried.
Oh, what happened?
Primary 5 or 5th grade, and the unit is I choose the section case study, which is about when I grow up. I'll ask the students, explore how do you think the feelings of this character work, and other students will do peer assessment.
This was invited again as that the students listen to the language. And students should make the story based on the list of the vocabulary given. So everybody say pink. Hey! It's not black, but pink. One more time.
Hey! Of course, they are fine. So much I need to go to my grandma. Wow, little chick.
This is an excellent workshop because there are a lot of insights that were distributed, shared with us, and these are applicable in the classroom situation. Speakers are very accommodating and they have entertained a lot of questions from us, and they have shared lots of teaching strategies that we can apply in the classroom.
It's really good because some of the techniques could be applied to our classroom. It's very specific, especially in our current format. We teach per skill, so it's really good, and the number of participants are really good. So there's a lot of interaction and a lot of learning to play. Especially we learn from each other, and also the speakers are awesome.
It was just insightful for me, and then relevant with the way I teach now in our students. So thank you so much for creating this beautifully.
Meaningful buat saya gitu karena saya dapat kenalan banyak, ini juga materialnya cukup lebih apa yang dibutuhkan oleh sekolah.
It's very insightful actually. I learned a lot, especially with the reading topic a while ago. I can use those techniques with the lower primary students that I handle at school. There is one thing that I'm looking forward to, really. It's the vocabulary for next year. It will be a big help for me as a phonics teacher. The vocabulary and the phonics. Thank you very much.
Go, 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 Atlaz.